Cryptocurrency, NFTs, metaverse, Web3 are everywhere you go. You have to hear about those things. Every time you open up your social media handles, of course, you will land on those things. Yes, what is cryptocurrency? What is NFTs? What is metaverse? What is Web3? People are asking a lot of questions. So among those questions people are asking themselves, me today I've said, let me come and tell you what is cryptocurrency. And I tell you the little I know about cryptocurrency and how good it is. If you're doing X Gold, hi guys. All of you that make X Gold move worldwide. Yes, me with X Gold, we are friends. All right. Now, what is cryptocurrency? Hmm? What are the stages of currency? Is it a currency, by the way? Is it a medium of trade? Is it a system? No. You have to know what is cryptocurrency. Where did it begin? Is it decentralized or not? Anything, you're going to learn it from here. Like we all know, barter system was the system they used to use for trading long time ago before Christ. They used to go, you want to buy apple, and then you take bananas, and then you bring your apple. That was barter trade. You want to buy a bicycle, you take a wheelbarrow, and then you bring a bicycle. That's barter trade. But why did it stop? Hmm? As we all know, people's requirements need to coincide, and then they need you like the people's requirements, they need to be equal equivalent to each other. You take money that is equivalent to the 1 kilogram of sugar, but in butter trade things are very different, because measuring those things, it was not easy. They used to use cups. Now take an example, you're going to buy a donkey, you have beans. Oh my God. And you will all know that not all goods can be divided or subdivided. Now, how can you divide a donkey? Because you want a beans? Huh? Will you cut one leg of the donkey? No. Those things were very headache, hectic. Headache. They were very hectic. So people said, what should we do? Transporting those things was another problem. Like you're going to transport beans, from which far to which far. You're going to buy a donkey, a cow, you're going to buy a sheep. So they have, after realizing all those hardships, they have to come out with a modern currency. And there was other coins. There came note, paper currency, and then cryptocurrency also was there. Okay, paper currency and notes, credit cards, and digital wallets. Those are the digital wallets. When I talk about the digital wallets, of course, I'm talking about cryptocurrency. Yes, and all those were controlled by the bank. All those were controlled by the bank. Credit cards, of course, they're issued by the bank. Get the point? So transaction was successful. People could transfer money. People could do this, but also there came some problems that forced people also to focus a lot on cryptocurrency, like technical issues in the bank. The users' accounts were hacked. Many things are raised, like people lost their money in the bank. Inflation, of course, we all know. What you deposit, it is not what you withdraw. Of course, the bank will have to deduct its charges of keeping your money. Transfer units for the accounts were accessed. You know, when you deposit money in the account, they have to take those money. You want to transfer, they have to check to take the charges units. So cryptocurrency came, like it is somehow safe if you understand it. Yes, what is cryptocurrency? Before we go any other further, cryptocurrency, it is a digital or virtual currency that has assured by cryptography. What is cryptography? Cryptography, it is the form of payment that can be exchanged online for goods and service. Hmm? Cryptography also, you can understand it as a process, as a system, as a method of restoring and transmitting data in a particular form of that only Those ones for whom it is intended can read and process it. Like me and you, we're going to take an now I'm going to send you money. That process of sending you money without a third party, we call it cryptography. Are you understanding cryptography? Yes, I want you to understand here very well. Now, like an example, we have Bob, we have Als. Als want to send money to Bob, or Bob wants to send money to Als. There is no need of a third party. What I mean by the third party, if you're in America, you want to send money to China, you have to send that money to bank if you're using paper money. But with cryptocurrency, you send it to the wallet, from wallet to the wallet. And the system of processing that, there is a link, it's a big link you will see. And then that link, you send it to Bob. Bob will open that link and do the transaction. That link is only in between you and the person, the sender and the receiver, if I can say like that. Of where that one makes it cryptocurrencies transactions secure, and the being with the control on addition, like it cannot be added or deducted anyhowly, and the assets are always verified before the transaction takes place. The system, the cryptography, has to verify the transaction before confirming the the end of the transaction. Hmm? But with the paper money or notes, you have to send that money. If you have money in reals, you have to first send that money to the bank, and the bank change that money to dollars, because you're sending that money to America. You have to send in America's currencies, so you have to first send to the bank. With cryptocurrency, it is from the wallet to the wallet. Are you getting the point? Are you getting the difference? With cryptocurrency, it is from wallet to wallet, Bitcoin wallet to Bitcoin wallet, X Gold wallet to X Gold wallet. But with money, you cannot send dollars. You cannot send dollars to Africa, maybe let me say to my country, Uganda, if you can change dollars, you have to, if you don't change dollars initially, of course you cannot make any trade, any payment in Uganda with your dollars. Get the point? I'm just using an example. So with cryptocurrency, there is no third party required. It is in between the sender and the receiver. There is no geographical barriers. There is little or no transaction costs. You get the point? No geographical barriers, as I've told you. No limits on the purchase and the withdrawals. There is no limit. That they tell you have to send this amount of coins in this period of time. No. Hmm? The disadvantages of cryptocurrency. Disadvantages of cryptocurrency. They are reversible. Take an example, you're going to send money to 496 and then you send to 469. Yeah? That money cannot be reversed. It has gone, it has gone. If you make a mistake in the digits, no one is going to track your money and bring it back. Because as I've told you, there's no a third party. That is a disadvantage number one in cryptocurrency. So you have to be very careful while dealing with cryptocurrency. Just copy and paste the numbers. Cryptocurrency, it is mostly used in illegal activities. Yes, online we do a lot of things. We sell a lot of things that are illegal. So cryptocurrency, since it is online payment, it is used in illegal services activities, and it consumes a lot of electricity. Cryptography, that process, that method of restoring and transmitting data, it takes a lot of electricity. Get the point? Yes. You have to be very careful with electricity. Those people mining, Bitcoin mining, Ethereum mining, they consume a lot of electricity. So you have to be knowing that before you start anything with cryptocurrency. Yes, I want to tell you, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, comment, and share with your friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend to come and know what exactly cryptocurrency is. Cryptocurrency is nothing other than being a digital or a virtual currency. It has no physical existence. It is not touchable. You cannot touch it with your hands. It is just on online. It is digital. You can buy with it anything. You can go and buy, you purchase, like those people making business in China. You can go and make your business in China with Bitcoin on your wallet. You can go to any country where cryptocurrency is illegal. There are some countries where cryptocurrency is illegal, but there are those where it is legal, not illegal. So it is like any other currency. You can make transactions, you can buy airtime. Yes, in my home country, Uganda, you can buy airtime, you can pay electricity with X Gold. Yeah. So it is easily verified. Yes, the transfers are easily verified. They will not take 1 week to verify. No, very easily, quickly, you can verify and make transactions. It is transparent there, and it is decentralized. Get the point? It is decentralized and it cannot be faked, because any unit to be added, they have to first meet the certain conditions. To add any cryptocurrency on the blockchain, there are some conditions you have to come to the agreement. You cannot just fake the Bitcoin. You cannot just fake X Gold. You will not just fake anything, or Ethereum, or anything. These here on your screen are the most popular coins, cryptocurrencies. So know them very well. Okay, so I want to tell you this: don't invest your money in cryptocurrency before making enough research. Make enough research, understand how to read these graphs, because with cryptocurrency we deal with graphs. Those people you hear crying, my money, they didn't steal your money, only you didn't know how to read the graphs, when to sell and when to buy, when to send and when to withdraw. You just did your things according to what you think. And with cryptocurrency, it is mathematical. You have to think otherwise. Read the graphs, understand them before you make any transaction. And I think with time I will make another video teaching how to read these graphs and mastering them. Okay, yes, but for today's case, this is what I can tell you. Don't invest in cryptocurrency money before making enough research. No one should force you to invest in cryptocurrency. Investing in cryptocurrency, it is your own will. Okay, yes, this is Smart Eyes Media, of course. Subscribe, like, comment, share. Make any question asked in the viewable, sorry, make any question viewable in the comment section. Ask anything you want to know. You want to know what about metaverse, about cryptocurrency, about NFTs, about digital marketing, about anything. I will come and answer all your questions. I love you guys.